Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best rocket money tips for families on a budget. So here's the breakdown. Rocket money can help families stretch every pound without stress. So start by linking all your bank and credit account so you can see every transaction in one place. That gives you a real picture of where money is going each month. Next, use spending categories to track the big costs like groceries, utility bills, school fee, and others, and smaller ones like takeout, streaming, any of your spending. Then set budget limit for each categories. Then after that, you can turn on alerts so you get notified before you overspend. Don't forget to check subscription tracking, cancel any service no one use, and redirect the cash into a family saving spot. Small charges add up very fast. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more family budgeting tips, and comment which rocket money hack you like to use first. And that's how it works.